Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about accounting and bookkeeping for mining industry. We'll cover this few topics in this video. We'll start with revenue and recognition, cost allocation, inventory management, asset depreciation, environmental obligations, foreign currency transaction, regulatory compliance, and financial analysis and reporting. So, let's start with the revenue and recognition. In this, you need to record and recognize revenue based on the applicable accounting, recognizing revenue when control of the goods has transferred to the customers. Cost allocation. In cost allocation, this will include all the operation costs such as development cost, production cost, and if there is any overhead cost or expenses. This allocation is essential for the accurate financial reporting. Inventory management. In inventory management, usually in mining companies, they have inventory holdings in the form of stockpiles of minerals or ores. You need to maintain their physical counts regularly. Asset depreciation. In asset depreciation, mining operation uses equipments like mining machines or mining vehicles. They are very big vehicles. So in this, you will need to record its asset value as per their lives and their utility. This will reflect their true worth. Environmental obligations. Environmental obligation is important when it comes to any mining business. Recording and estimating these obligations accurately are important for reflecting the company's financial obligation and potential liabilities. Foreign currency transaction. Mining companies often operate in an international level and may engage in transaction denotation like some currencies exchange or in different currencies. So in this you have to properly accounting for the foreign currency transaction, including your currency conversion, your hedging activities, and recognition of the gains and losses. It is crucial, and you need to ensure that you are doing this financial reporting nicely. Regulatory compliance. In this, the mining industry is the subjected to a specific regulations and reporting requirements imposed by the government authorities. You need to stay updated on the regulatory environment and ensure the compliance with the reporting obligations such as filing tax returns and disclosing relevant information. It is essential for your accurate bookkeeping. Financial analysis and reporting. In this, you will need to generate regular financial statement, including your income statement, your balance sheets, and your cash flow statement. It is important to analyze the company's financial performance, the company's cash liquidity, and solvency. So, here are some key performance indicators that are commonly used in the mining industry to measure the performance and the growth of the industry. First will be production volume. This indicator measures the quantity of the minerals or the ore extracted from your mining operations. Mining cost per ton. This indicator calculates the cost of incurred per unit of material extracted, such as the cost per ton or mine owned. It will help you to access the company's cost management and efficiency of the operations. Mining yield. This indicator measures the percentage of the valuable material that are obtained from the total material that were processed. So it will reflect the efficiency of the company's extraction process and the quality of the ore being mined. Safety performance. Safety performance is a very critical aspect when it comes to mining operations. There are many people are working in the mine. So this indicator will categorize if there are any number of accident happened or any lost time injury frequency rate or any total recordable injury frequency rate. Equipment availability and utilization. Mining operations rely heavily on the equipments and the machineries. This indicator will measure the availability and utilization of the key mining assets such as the haul trucks, the excavators, and the drills. It will help you to access the equipment reliability and their maintenance effectively and the overall operational expenses. Energy consumption. This indicator will measure the amount of energy that are consumed for per unit of production, such as energy used to process 1 ton or 1 ton or 1 of ore processed. It assists in evaluating energy efficiency initiatingly and identify the opportunities of cost saving, and it will also help you to maintain environmental sustainability. Environmental compliance. Mining companies must adhere to environmental regulations. So this indicator is related to environmental compliance. It may include metrics such as your water usage, your emissions, the carbon emissions you've been doing on the site, or the waste management, or reclamation success rate. Community relation and social responsibility. Mining companies often engage with the local communities and strive to have a positive impact on them. So this indicator category may include measures of your community engagement, your local employment, how many locals you are how many locals you are giving employment, social investment, and your stakeholder satisfaction. Financial performance. Key financial indicator. It is a key financial indicator such as your revenue, your operating cost, your profit margins, and return on your investment, and the cash flow you have. And this is a very essential indicator. This will access the overall financial health and profitability of your mining business. So that was all for the accounting and bookkeeping for mining industry. Thank you and have a nice day.